Welcome to Blooming Minds Academy, Inspiring Future. General Knowledge Test for admission to Class 6 of Sainik School. A baby breathes through its gill. On becoming adult, it breathes through its lungs on land. What is it? Options: whale, crocodile, tortoise, frog. Answer is frog. Which among the following elements camouflages itself in a way that is different from the rest of the tree? Stonefish, chameleon, leaf insect, stick insect. Answer: chameleon. Select the animal pair having similar breathing mechanism. Bat and fish, turtle and lizard, butterfly and mouse, earthworm and cockroach. Answer: turtle and lizard. Both turtle and lizard have lungs to breathe. Select the correct option among the following. The European stork travels from Europe to Africa every summer. Arctic tern travels the longest distance among the migratory birds. Whales travel to cold water for reproduction and warmer water for feeding. Butterflies have short lifespan, thus they do not migrate. Answer: Arctic tern travels the longest distance among the migratory birds. The European stork travels from Europe to Africa every winter. Whales travel to cold water for feeding and warmer water for reproduction. Some butterflies migrate from one place to another. We should exercise yoga daily because it strengthens our muscle, increases our stamina, improve our concentration, all of these. Answer: all of these. Select a group of diseases that spread the same means or have the same cause. Goiter, anemia, scurvy, dengue, malaria, night blindness, cholera, typhoid, allergy, beriberi, malaria, pelagia. Answer: goiter, anemia, scurvy. These all are non-communicable diseases and are caused due to deficiency of vitamins or minerals. The government system established in India is parliamentary system, presidential system, dictatorship system, military system. Answer: parliamentary system. In India, the Council of Ministers is collectively responsible towards Rajya Sabha, Lok Sabha, President of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha. Answer: Lok Sabha. Possil principle is related to Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajiv Gandhi, Bhimrao Ambedkar, APJ Abdul Kalam. Answer: Jawaharlal Nehru. Where is the Golden Temple situated? Patna, Mathura, Amritsar, Kashi. Answer: Amritsar. The Golden Temple is situated in Amritsar. The last European country engaged in trade with India was Portugal, Holland, France, England. The correct answer is France. The sea route to India and East Asia was discovered after the capture of Constantinople by the Arabs, Turks, Tatars, Mongols. Answer: Turks. Which of the following group of countries is most famous for exporting wool and meat? Australia, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, Argentina, France, Chile. Australia, Argentina, New Zealand, Australia, Italy. Answer is Australia, Argentina, New Zealand. Which of the following soil is more suitable for cultivation of cotton in India? Red soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil, regur soil. Answer is regur soil. You might have observed the preparation of ghee from butter and cream at home. Which methods can be used to separate ghee from the residue? Evaporation, decantation, filtration, churning. Answer is decantation and filtration. Ghee is first decanted and then filtered to remove associated impurities. Consider the following statements. Number 1. It carries the essential substances like minerals and vitamins to the body cells. Number 2. It helps in removing waste materials out of the body. Which of the following is the best suitable term that can follow the above statements? Rough is water, minerals, nutrients. Answer: water. Sohan took 2 ml lemon juice in 2 test tubes and added 1 gram of salt in one test tube and 1 gram of washing soda in another. Which of the following observation is correct? In test tube 2, a chemical change takes place with the evolution of water vapor. In test tube 1, a chemical change takes place but no water vapors are formed. In test tube 2, a chemical change takes place with the evolution of carbon dioxide. In test tube 1, salt dissolves in lemon juice, but in the test tube 2, washing soda does not. Answer is in test tube 2, a chemical change takes place with the evolution of carbon dioxide gas. Acid present in lemon juice reacts with the mild base washing soda to give carbon dioxide gas, but with common salt, which is neutral in nature, no reaction takes place. When a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time, then the motion of the body is called non-periodic, non-uniform, uniform, none of these. Answer is non-uniform motion. Fossil fuels are formed over a long period of time when heat and pressure were applied to nitrogen mixed in water, organisms buried in the ground, carbon filtered through limestone, bacteria on top of the mud. Answer is organisms buried in the ground. Fossil fuels are the most important source of energy for human beings. Coal and petroleum are kinds of sedimentary rock fossil fuels formed from the remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Which of the statements are correct? The mantle or the upper layer of the earth is made of volcanoes. The liquid that comes out of the volcano is called magma. Based on the nature of eruption, volcanoes can be active, dormant, and extinct. The magnitude of tsunami is measured on Richter scale, developed by Charles Richter in 1985. Answer. Based on the nature of eruption, volcanoes can be active, dormant, and extinct. Volcano is an opening on the surface of Earth's crust. There are three types of volcanoes. Number 1. Active volcanoes. Active volcanoes are those which are currently erupting or have erupted in the last 10,000 years. Number 2 is the dormant volcanoes. The dormant volcanoes are in a state of sleep. This means they had erupted in the past but can erupt again. However, at the moment they are asleep. Number 3 is extinct volcanoes. Extinct volcanoes are those that have been inactive for thousands of years and are not expected to erupt again. Which of the following pairs is wrongly classified? Incinerating rubbish in residential areas, covering open dustbins left out in the open, breeding animals like chicken and sheep for food, cutting down trees, collecting rainwater for watering garden plants, feeding animals in the wild, using recycled materials, leaving unfinished food at the canteen table. The answer is incinerating rubbish in residential areas and covering open dustbins left out in the open. Incinerating rubbish in residential areas will have negative effect on the environment as it will release harmful gases in the air. Covering open dustbins left out in open will have positive effect on the environment as it will prevent insects from spreading diseases. Which of the following is a herbivore? Elephant, lion, frog, tiger. Answer is elephant. Which of the following industries is famous in Ruhr, industrial region of Europe? Textile and chemicals, steel and engineering, cement and paper, shipbuilding. Answer is steel and engineering. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, share, like and keep comments. Follow our Facebook page for detailed study. Link given in the description below.